Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So now, in this lecture, we'll see how to find the plastering quantity for the other side of wall. Now, what I have done, so outside plastering is done. So after that, you have to do the plastering of this wall also. You can see this wall. Here also you want to do the plastering. In the same way, this wall, okay? Same plastering will come. Again, here, this plastering will come, okay? And then this plastering will come, isn't it? This plastering will come. So whatever external plastering you have done, no, on the other side, that becomes your internal plastering. So that plastering also you are supposed to do. Now we'll try to find that. How do you do that? For that, you have to start from here, okay? This length I'll find from here to this complete length I'll find, okay? Here everywhere you are going to do the plastering, no? So it is 9.45. Go back to the Excel sheet. Let me find. Yeah. Okay, fine. 9.45 is here. I think 13.94. I think I started from the vertical one. Okay. 13.94 should be this one. Yeah. Okay. It should be this one. Let me recheck it. Your plastering will start from this point. Okay. This point. Okay. So from here to this portion, your plastering will happen. So yeah, 13.94. See, it is 13.95. I've taken the dimension here. Okay. Fine. So how much it is? 13.94. Done. After that, I'll come this portion. This portion already I did now in front of you. It is 9.45 from this outer to this outer. Okay. So again, I've written 9.45. Yeah. So that is done. Next, after that, we'll go to this portion, which is that this particular portion. So this portion and this portion, it is same, no? So I'll take the same thing, that is 13.94 again. All right. So this portion, this is similar to this portion, and already we got it as 13.94. So I think it should be 30. Okay, it's not there. Let me check it out. Okay, I'll verify it. Again, your plastering will start from here. This portion, you'll do the complete plastering till where? Till this portion you'll do the plastering, or here? Till here you do, no? Yeah, here it is not up to here. Up to here, this portion you'll do the plastering. Then it will be 14 only. I'll keep that distance here. See, I'm keeping it here, okay? How much it is? 14.17. So 14.17. Got it? So you have to be a bit careful, because since it's an inside plastering, when you do this wall plastering, no, even this, what is that? Your this thing. Um, Column also will get plastered. So that is why I'll taken up to here. Okay, fine. And last, which is left out? Last, this portion is left out, which is that this portion. See, from here to here you will do the plastering. So it is 7.09. Let me check it. Yeah, I written 7.09. Got it? So up to here I've taken. Okay. Again, after that, this portion is also left out. Okay. This portion, that I'll do it later. You can add now also. Otherwise, I'll consider this veranda and this portion later. And this small brickwork what you have, no, this also we need to consider for the plastering, which we'll do it later. Done. Now, whatever we have done, it is correct. But yeah, yeah. So okay, whatever we have done is correct, but there are few problems in this. The problem is that you need to deduct a few things. That is, I'll tell you what all things you're supposed to deduct. See, we'll start from here. When I'm doing the plastering of this, when I'm doing this plastering, which people, who all are going to obstruct my plastering? That means when I'm doing the plastering here, this complete length I have taken. But if you observe this guy, this particular wall, what I have, this particular wall, this much portion, okay, this much portion only I'll show you. Yeah, this much portion plastering won't happen because here brickwork is coming. This brickwork will stop it. In the same way, this brickwork also will stop it. You're getting my point, no? See, this portion will not do any plastering because already this is how you are supposed to do the plastering. But here there is one obstruction. The brickwork is coming, so this guy is stopping. Here also this guy will stop. Other than that, we don't have problem. No one will stop it. So that is why that we need to deduct, because you took 9.45 completely, right? But here this small portion and this small portion, you are not doing any this thing. What is that? Brick plastering. So you check the dimension of this. It is 0.11. This is also 0.11. Okay, both are 0.11. So I'll deduct 0.11 two times. See, minus 0.11 minus 0.11. Done? Yeah. Now come to the other part. Now again, now you tell me again who will obstruct. Suppose if I do this plastering, suppose if I do plastering here, yeah, this portion if I do the plastering, who will obstruct my plastering? From this portion, who will obstruct my plastering? So one is this guy. This person will obstruct because this much portion no plastering will be done. Okay, here this portion I'm telling. Again, this much portion also no plastering will be done. Okay, got it? And then even this small portion no plastering will be done. And in this small portion no plastering will be done. Got it? That means these four people are ready. One, 2, and 3 and 4 people will not allow the plastering to happen. So I need to deduct them, no? Because overall length I had taken how much? I had taken 14.40. Out of that, here plastering won't happen because brickwork is intersecting. Okay, because after the construction of the brickwork only plastering will happen. So this is how much? So this is 0.23. Okay. Then again, this is how much? This is also 0.23. Okay, 2 times 0.23 I'll deduct. Again, how much is this? Here also plastering won't happen, no? This is also 0.23. Okay, this is 0.23 only. Yeah, 3 times, and this is also 0.23, 4 times. So 4 people are obstructing. That is 0.23 into 4 times. So I done minus 0.23 into 4 times. Got it? Come. Fine. So after that, I think this portion will speak. Hmm. So if I do the plastering in this portion, if I do the plastering in this portion up to here, I do know. Yeah. Who is obstructing? Only this guy. This particular wall or this particular column is obstructing. Not this particular column. This particular wall is obstructing. Okay. So what is the thickness of that? This thickness is actually 0.23. Okay. So in this length, that is in which one? Yeah, in this length, that is in 7.09. In this 7.09, this guy is not allowing me to the plastering in this portion. So out of that 0.23 I'll deduct. So that is why minus 0.23 I've done. Got it? Fine. After that, come on the other side, the last portion. This is the outer one, isn't it? Here when you're doing the plastering, tell me who all are obstructing. So if I want to do the plastering in this portion, who all are obstructing for me? These guys are obstructing. One is this guy, small. It is 0.11 wall. Then again, this is also another 0.11 wall. This is also another 0.11 wall. Again, this is 0.23 wall. Okay, and then this one 0.23. Because in this area, in this length, your plastering will not happen since the brickwork is coming. So you need to deduct all those things. Just remember, this is 0.11, 0.11, 0.11. So 3 times 0.11, and this is 0.23. This is 0.23. So I have done the same thing. See, minus, where is that? Yeah, yeah, minus, see, 0.11 three times. Okay, it is mentioned 3 times, no? Is it 3 times? One is this one, yeah, one this guy, second and third, 3 times, correct? And then this is 1 and this is 2 and 0.23. See, if you're not confident, come and check. I already have done, so that is why I'm telling. Okay, if you have confusion, come and check the dimension of this. How much it is? 0.23, no? How much it is? This is also 0.23, no? Okay, so 0.23 one time, 0.23 two times. Whereas these people, all these guys, they are 0.11. Here in AutoCAD, they have written 0.12. Actually, it is 0.11 only. So I taken 0.11. Okay, see, this is all 0.11. Okay, this is all 0.11. Okay, and this is also 0.11. Okay, getting my point, no? So that is why I've taken 0.11 three times and 0.23 two times. So again, minus 0.23 into 2 times. Done. So ground floor, everything I have done. So here everything I have done. Now come to this portion. This portion. So here where all you'll do the internal plastering. So of course, this part I told you, we already taken care of this parapet. So again, there won't be any internal plastering. Okay. Now for this wall, this side it was outside plastering. But if I do the plastering here, it will be internal plastering. So this length I need to consider, no? How much is this length? So this plastering length, till where you'll do the plastering? Till this part you'll do the plastering. It is 3.96. So here you should write 3.96. Okay. Um, okay, this is 5.18 I've written. 5.18 means I think I've taken this one. 5.18. Okay, let me verify. Okay, because I don't know from where I started. Okay, we start from here. Okay, this is 5.18. Hmm. Now I'll do the plastering here now inside this wall, this portion. So 5.18 I've taken. So in the Excel sheet I mentioned 5.18. Okay, okay, fine. There itself I'll do the deduction. Okay, now deduction will be what? So if I want to do this plastering, when I'll do the plastering of this wall, the inside part, who is obstructing my plastering? Here nobody is obstructing, only this person is obstructing this much portion. In this much portion, no plastering will come. So what is the thickness of that? It is a 0.11 wall. Okay, 0.11. It's a 4.5. It's 0.11. So minus 0.11 I'll do. So that is why I written minus 0.11. Okay, fine. After that, again your plastering will happen here from this wall to this portion. Your plastering will happen. How much it is? 9.45. Is there anyone who can obstruct this? No one is obstructing because you don't have any. See, one thing you remember when I say obstructing, if you're measuring horizontal, check if any vertical walls are passing. If you're measuring vertical, check if any horizontal walls are passing. Now, this is horizontal. Okay, fine. Is there any walls going in vertical direction? No. If there is no wall going, then no one is obstructing. So that is why we have not done any deduction. Directly, you see, I've taken 9.45, nothing. Now you come to this part. Now this part is how much? Again, I'll measure from here. From here to where? This part, no? This is that part. Up to here, plastering will happen. What is that? It should be 8.76. Okay, it is 8.76. So I written 8.76 here. Now, this is my vertical wall, right? This is my vertical wall. Is there any one obstructing? When I say obstructing, since it's a vertical wall, check if any horizontal walls are passing through that, intersecting. Yes, see, one horizontal wall is intersecting. This is second guy. This is third person. So three people are intersecting. What is their thickness? This is 0.11. This is also 0.11. This is also 0.11. So 3.11 I need to detect. So that is why you see here what I have done, minus 0.11, minus 0.11, minus 0.11. Otherwise, you write minus 0.11 into 3. That also okay. Okay, fine. And last one portion is left out, which is that this portion. Yeah, this portion. See, this is 3.96. Okay, this is 3.96. So I've written plus 3.96. It should be 3.96. Yeah. Okay, done. And then last one thing. Who is the last one? This guy. See, here also plastering will happen, no? From this portion to this portion, your plastering will happen till here. Okay, not there. Your plastering will happen. This is also inside only, no? Because this comes under outside. Okay, and this side also is. I think we left. Okay, see this all here also that plastering will happen. I'll measure this. Here also plastering will happen. Okay, till where? Till here. 5.24, I guess. 5.18 I've written. Okay. Yeah, 5.18 only because the plastering will happen till here, isn't it? This portion. I have to take that 5.18, not 5.24. So I'll take 5.18. See, from this outer to where? Till this, okay? Till the column only a plastering will happen. Now you'll ask, sir, where this plastering will happen? This I'll consider in the common area. Or when I consider this particular wall, I'll consider that. That also I can do. Otherwise, you consider completely and no problem. If you consider completely also, no problem. This wall I'm considering here only. 5.49, no, I'll write 5.49 only. 5.4, no problem. Because see, if you don't do it here, this extra portion will be taken care in the another wall. When you're doing for this wall plastering, these things I'll take care of. But anyhow, I've taken care of from here to here. This is 5.49. Okay, so I've written how much? 5.49. Is there anything missing out? There's one missing out. What is that? This portion is missing out. Actually, this also will come on inside the internal wall only. No, this particular wall I haven't considered this particular wall. So I'll consider this. Okay. Here also your plastering will happen internal. Till where? Till this portion. Till where? Till this portion. Up to here. Okay. How much it is? 3.58. So 3.58 I haven't added. I'll add plus 3.58. Okay. Done. Everything you understood? Hit the enter button. The total length you got, that is the total running length you got for where the plastering should happen from the ground floor to the first floor. Okay. Which one? next to the external wall, inside plastering it is. So internal plastering next to the outside wall. How much it is? Again, it is internal, no? So it will be usually 12 mm. Okay, you can write 12 mm. 12 mm you have to write. Yeah, fine. Now thickness I told 12 mm, so I written in meter 0.012, 12 meter. Now come to the height. So height, how we are going to find? Internal plastering, floor to floor height minus what you are supposed to do. What you are supposed to do? Is it that you have to take the beam depth? No. If you remember, if you're sitting in your room, check how the plastering has happened. Your plastering is taken care. See, actually, floor to floor that is 3.2 minus if I do the beam depth, my plastering will happen till the bottom of the beam. But beam portion also will do the plastering, no? So you cannot deduct the beam here. Only the slab thickness will deduct because your plastering will go till the bottom of the ceiling. Okay, and remaining the slab plastering will come in the ceiling portion. You're getting my point? So your plastering will go till the slab bottom. So that is floor to floor height minus the slab thickness. If you do know, you'll get the total height of your plastering. So in this, your the beam plastering is also covered. Okay. So that is why the height is 3.05. Got it? So in this, your beam plastering is also covered. Okay, if I taken up to this, if I done minus 0.45, so here what would have happened? Your plastering is done only till the beam bottom. Beam plastering is not added here. That is why we'll do minus 0.15. Okay, so other things I'll explain you in the next lecture. Okay, there's some problem in the video. I explain you in the next lecture.